Look at that booty. Work it, work it. Work it, work it. Hi guys, welcome to the Traveling Hobbit. Hello, I'm Neil and
I'm Bishop.
And we are at the British Wildlife Centre in
Surrey.
which is local to us. It's about
40 minutes away.
40 minutes away. So hopefully that will be alright though. So yeah, let's go inside. Well, we haven't found any red squirrels yet. I think just because we found some deer, but no red squirrels yet. I think it's just because it's just rained, so that's why they're all hiding. Anyway, I'm hoping we're going to see one, at least one later on. Okay, there's one just right there. Yeah. But it's a bit far though. So there you go. There you go. There's a squirrel.
Of the day, the red squirrel talk. My name is Claire. If you have any questions about any of the animals, or any of the animals in here, or any of the animals outside of here as well, please feel free to come and ask me at the end of the talk, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you may have.
Hello, kitty. Someone's sleeping. Look at that. Look at that booty. Work it, work it. Work it, work it. Right there. Yeah, it's a good area here for them. As you can see guys, most of the owls are sleeping because, as you know, owls are nocturnal. So yeah, everyone seems to be sleeping at the moment. Look at those horns. They're massive. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah. Stunning.
Yeah, no problem. So I'm sure no one's domestic cat has ever tried to drag a deer from the cat flap before. But if it has, then I am, very impressed.
It's starting to rain. Oh well. A bit wet now. Glad we got the umbrella.
Let's go into the nocturnal house and keep dry.
So we're going here.
Still around the coasts in many areas, but more inland as well. They are making a comeback, so more inland and those freshwater systems too. Wherever you find them, it will be around some sort of water system, some sort of water course, and you've only got to look at ours here today, and you'll see for yourselves how well adapted they are to that semi-aquatic.
Hi guys, we're all done with our tour. It's quite nice actually though.
Yeah.
What do you like best?
The weasel.
The weasels
Always the
and
weasel.
the otters are quite nice as well. They're quite cute. But yeah, everything seems to be all good here. Not a lot of people, which is good.
Yeah.
It's a bit rainy as you can see,
Yeah.
but never mind, we're still here. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you press the subscribe button below. Like, comment, and share, and comment something back, and press the bell so that you can see our videos every week guys, okay? So from all of us here in the Traveling Hobbit, always remember guys, great happy memories and always keep smiling.